Twisted Minds is the fourth team eliminated here in the MPL Philippines Season 16 playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. Nothing but respect towards the rookies of Season 16. Hindi lang sila basta nakipagsabayan sa TNC. Sure, except that game number 5 na medyo one-sided talaga kasi inaurahan na sila completely ng TNC in terms of the draft and execution pagdating sa laro. Yung games 1 to 4 naging seesaw battle talaga siya. Sinubukan talaga ng Twisted Minds na ilaban kung ano yung meron sila. Tsaka sobrang nakakatuwa kasi ang daming nagpuntang mga fans ng Twisted Minds na parang kahit sila nagugulat sila. Kasi 'di ba dati pag sinasabi nila ng mic check na sana marami din daw manood para sa kanila, mag-cheer para sa kanila. And I'm just really happy na umabot sa punto na there were hundreds of people supporting them on their side. Sabihin natin na mas malaki yun sa TNC kasi syempre nandun si na Chuck no, malaki talaga yung fanbase niya. But this is the start para sa mga rookies. Kahit na sabihin natin na hindi nila nakuha yung first ever playoff win ng kanilang organization, hindi ibig sabihin nun na natalo sila sa season na to. Honestly, I would say they've exceeded expectations. A lot of people were saying during the preseason na itong team na to ay top 8 na. Kasi wala pang experience, baka hindi pa kayang makasabay sa MPL competition. And yet in their first season, yung tatlong rookies kasama sina Lansu at MP the King have made it into the playoffs and brought TNC to 5 straight games. Dalawang historic feats ang hinahabol ng parehas na team. For Twisted Mind sana, it would have been their first win in team history. For TNC Pro Team, ang huling beses na nanalo sila sa playoffs was Season 9 and they were able to do that.